Hey guys, welcome to the first episode of Life Equals Cars. In this episode of Life Equals Cars, I'm going to introduce myself and tell you who I am and what I do for a living, and I'm going to share with you the goals that I have for this channel, and I'm also going to give you a tour of my car, so stay tuned. My name is Michael, and I am a corporal in the United States Marine Corps. I joined in February of 2015, and I am fast approaching my end of active service, which I'm very excited for. I've been in for about 4 years now, and I will be getting out with 5 years of service. My job in the Marine Corps is to fix information technology and other data systems. My MOS is 2847. For those of you who are in the military, you probably will know what that is. I work on computers, printers, satellite systems, and wide area network systems, as well as telephone network systems. It's a very broad job field and a very in-depth job field. I'm currently enrolled in University of Maryland's Bachelor's for Cybersecurity. I am currently taking classes for that, and I am extremely excited and very thankful that I am able to do that. I have a beautiful fiance. Her name is Leilani, and we got engaged this year on October 4th. I'm extremely thankful for her, and I am very excited for the future that we are going to share together. We have a lot of plans and a lot of big aspirations together, and I cannot wait to make those happen. She has a YouTube channel. It's a lifestyle and makeup channel. If you or anyone you know is interested in makeup and makeup tutorials or lifestyle videos, check her channel out and give her some support and love. Her YouTube is Kealamor, spelled Kealamor. So after all, this is a car channel, so let's get to the car. There's a little bit of a tour of my car. I will explain some things here so that you guys understand a little bit more of the direction that I want to take it and why some things are the way they are. The reason I have a black bumper on the front of my car, I hit a groundhog doing about 75 or some other small animal, and it sheared off the left portion of my stock front bumper. It took the turn signal shroud, the side marker light, my wheel well liner, and took it all off and just ruined it. So I am in the process of buying those parts and putting them on the vehicle, and I will be getting that painted by myself. I'm going to do a video on that. I'm going to sand it down, clean up any defects, and paint it myself. There's a little bit of damage on the right portion of my rear bumper. I'm going to be fixing that myself by sanding it down, body filling it, and painting it. I'm going to be making videos on that. I have a Windjet fog light kit on this car, and as you can see from the videos, the left front lens cracked and the right front lens cracked, and then got a hole punched completely through it just from daily driving. So I have to replace those. I don't know how Windjet headlights are, but I would definitely not recommend the fog light kit for the FRS. This car has a lot of little wears and tears on it due to the fact that it almost has 100,000 miles on it. Also, it is daily driven, and I work at a very dirty place. I have to park in a muddy, sandy lot every day and get in and out of my car like that. So unfortunately, it is very hard to keep the dirt out of this vehicle, but I try to keep it as organized and clean as I possibly can. As you saw in the video, I have an aftermarket pseudo catback exhaust system. It's the lightest exhaust system that you can buy on the market for this vehicle. I also have a parent inlet tube from the airbox to the throttle body. I've wrapped some of my interior with black carbon from Vivid Vinyl. I've wrapped the gear shift shroud. I've wrapped the pillars beside the climate control. I've wrapped the door handles. And I got black AC bezel shrouds and black traction control buttons OEM from AmayaTrading.com. Those were a really cool find. I think the black goes a lot better with the carbon fiber than the silver. The silver kind of just sticks out and makes it look weird. My goals are to be informative about vehicles, specifically the Scion FRS or the Subaru BRZ, whichever one that you have, or the Toyota 86. I'm also going to be doing how-tos, modifications. I eventually want to start autocross racing, so that is one of the goals that I'm going to be working towards. I have some modifications to the car that I need to do before I do that, so those will be in the future as well. I also want to make things positive. I want to have a positive car channel where people can congregate and talk and hopefully focus on the positive things in life, because this world is very negative and I definitely would like to combat that. I'm a follower of Christ. If you hear me talk about God or Jesus, it's just a disclaimer from the start that I believe in Jesus and I follow him. I'm also going to be doing videos of car shows that I go to and other lifestyle videos that I may think are awesome and fun. I'm hoping to eventually monetize the channel and grow it to the point that it gives me some income so that I have more time to focus on cars and these videos, because I have a passion for cars and I would love to do something with that passion. I hope that you have a wonderful day and I appreciate you watching. Please remember to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell. Leave a comment about what you think of this video or of my car, or if you just want to say hey. Also, check me out on Instagram at LifeEqualsCars. I post daily content there, and you can follow me and enjoy all of the awesome posts. And remember to tune into the next episode of Life Equals Cars.